Brand new foam, so I can try to break them in.
It's a nice mark.
Ooh, all you do is smell them shit.
Gives you good data though.
Yeah, for sure. Massachusetts little man versus CT little man. Gonna be a good race to come up. Nice run. Nice run. Two, 3, 2, 2. Damn, Miguel, you ran a 2-2. He whole shotted you. Yeah, this might be the race of the day right here. Hell of a race. Hell of a race. Nice race, Trevor. 2-5, 2-5. I don't know if you would have had it. Woo! Yeah, them tires coming off, Benji. My shit too jumpy with them. Line for the drivers, people signing. Shout out to my man Kyle for blowing off the track. All right. See the pot, y'all. Oh, Maddie. This is an SE class right here. We got 37 cars. Drivers meeting. Drivers meeting.
It's gonna be a red chip.
Here we go, here we go, here we go.
Maybe they haven't pulled it yet.
Yeah. All right, y'all. We got 38 races here. Got 38 cars. Yeah, you know it. Shout out to everybody for coming out, man. Appreciate that. That's what it's all about right here. That's why I do this.
I hope you motherfuckers got pocket money because I like to gamble.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. That's what it looked like coming to an event here. And this is the second cash days. I'm sure by the last one we should have over 100 SEs out here. 100 SEs. Chris, what we going for? 100 SEs? Chris, what we going for? 100 SEs by the end of the year? 120. We could do it. We're gonna make it happen.
Make that East Coast race happen.
You know it. That's for sure. This is the first race of the Street Eliminator class. 38 cars. All right, so we got right lane up 1, left lane red lighted. Stand back right here, Josh. Let me get the lane. I just forgot to stop. Very clean. 1 and 1. 1 and 1. Nice run, fellas. Nice run.
I like that.
That race is over. Left lane took it. Nice run, fellas. Nice run. Left lane, red light in the right.
Because my buddies, we had to do the same thing with the wheels.
I don't speak Spanish, bro. Oh, for real?
Yeah, I was like, what's going on? I was like, you got lost? She's like, I just don't want you for 2 pizzas. I was like, oops, I had to swallow my tongue. Wow. That little orange car.
Man, you went off? 1-1.
Yeah, I read that. Oh, you read
Yeah, you read it.
Oh.
That's 1 up.
Yeah? Yeah. That's why I jumped up.
Nice run, Maddie. Nice run. Nice run, little man.
We pulled for it.
For real?
Yeah.
Gave it to the left. That's my threes right here.
Easy. Finish the race. Just finish the race. You little man. You got this. There you go, Trev. There you go. That's a race. Got it. Benji. There you go, little man. There you go.
Hell of a run, little man.
I want you to turn it up a little bit.
We know you let off. Oh, I thought he won. You walked him down? Ooh, nice run, fellas. Nice run. Left lane took it. Alright guys, that's what we do. Got the pizza going. 1 box pepperoni, 1 box cheese. A brief intermission for the race, and then we'll continue with 5 again. While the track is down, we'll eat. All right, we back, y'all. Brief intermission. Everybody's full, and we continue in the race. Left lane is up 1.
Just one?
Who won? Oh, nice race. Don't worry about that. No, don't worry about that.
I did last time. I did.
All right, these are the 6s. We're at 6s now. Oh, hell of a run, fellas. Left lane. 27, 27. All right, left lane took it. Ooh, left lane's up 1.
All set?
Nice run, nice run. You gotta make it, somebody gotta make it through. Ooh. Who red lighted? Nice run, nice run. 1 on the right lane, 1 up. 1 up in the right. Yo! Oh, he went through the wrong side. Damn. He might have broke it in the left lane. His wheelie bar might have broke it. Oh no, he gave it to the right. Damn. Nice run. That body held that. That body held that impact. Oh, that was a nice run. Nice run, John. Nice run, Dan. He overheated at the line. He called it a race.
Red line. 1-1.
I was. He's right. Y'all both red lighted. Both red lighted. Both of y'all. You move when he move. Both red lighted. Deep stage, you good? You're deep stage, you good? Oh, walking down.
Was that why that the light blue come was on? When it's deep stage like that?
Yeah, only the bottom light will come on.
Yeah, and then the top.
Oh, he
like
took it in the
light.
right lane. I take it mad pictures in my book. Miguel pulled through. Ooh, he didn't cross the beam. Your car jumped over the beam. Got it? Yeah, you got it. Hey, dap him up, dap him up.
Let's go, bench.
Yeah, nice run. Hey, nice run, Dave. He's a fast ass dude. He's a fast ass dude. Nice run. Oh, Benji red lighted.
I've been launched out for the night too.
Something like that. Ooh, ooh, he took you out, Benji?
No.
Took him out. Nice run, fellas. You tight. Look at Benji. You tight. You took it too easy. You took it too easy on him, Benji. Yeah. Yeah, right there straight. 240. Don't worry about that. You want? It's a bet, right? Is it a bet? That's all. It's a bet?
Yeah, it's a bet. Goddamn. You tuned that something, bitch, huh?
Yeah, you know it.
Yo, so that's why
Oh, you too far.
You tuned outside too, eh?
Yeah.
you got this shit.
You had it too far, two down. Where you at? Nice run, Russ. Nice run. Too much down. That was buffering. Yeah. So now you just gotta heat the tires up more. That's how you do it though. You know, if you was gonna win, that's how you win. But you lost. That's fucked up. Yeah, that's yo, everything went right over the DTS though. Back up, Russ. Back up, back up, back up, back up. There you go. Russ coming for that part. Nice run, fellas. Hell of a run. Hell of a run. Nice run, Russ.
Thanks a lot, man. Thank you, brother.
No problem. 2-3. Connecticut. 2-2 in the right lane. He would have had him too. He took off late. He getting you on the light. I got left. Nah, I can't bet on my boy. Against my boy. This is right lane. This right lane. Oh, yeah. Kev said, fuck that, I gotta get through that bitch. He red lighted? No. He red lighted, just make it down, Kev. It's 1-1 right now. Left lane red lit the last race. Get him, Kev! Ooh!
Damn it!
This still damn.
He hit the cone.
He tight with you right now. Nothing more. I missed the first race, but right lane is up 1. Nice run, Papa. That shit was on his wheels. Nice run in the left lane. Nitro looking good. Only like 4 because I haven't called nobody up yet. But I'm gonna do the call ups once this. I just want that race right there to finish.
You already know it.
This the whole team y'all buying back in?
No, that's you. That's
Get the
for
fuck out of here. No way.
Yeah, more than me.
That's respect. I like that.
That's crazy.
That's what's up.
That's crazy. Them guys just walked up to me and gave me money for throwing this event. That's crazy. Don't worry about that. You're good. Nah, he's deep stage. I said, nah. I don't go easy. I just